Hi guys! In this video we're going to look at supplements that can help your recovery from Achilles tendinopathy or other tendon injuries. We're going to look at what supplements may work, how much you need of it and how it actually does it, and then exactly how to take it, what the research is showing about that. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Marika. I'm one of the physiotherapists from treatmyachilles.com, where you can get online physiotherapy assessment as well as treatment for your Achilles tendon injuries. Have a look at the description of this video for a link to our website. Okay, so let's move on to supplements. Vitamin C, interestingly enough, it can increase collagen production, and it's also an antioxidant. Now, it can decrease oxidation of your collagen fibers. So our bodies normally has a normal rhythm of breakdown of collagen fibers and rebuilding collagen fibers. So we're replacing cells in our body the whole time. When you're under high oxidative stress, you break down cells more frequently. So what vitamin C does is it slows the oxidation down, and it means that, hence it's known as an antioxidant, and it means that you don't break down cells so readily. But it can also help with your collagen, increase your collagen production. Then gelatin or hydrolysed collagen, they're similar things but not quite the same. You'll see also a little bit later on, you only use one or the other because they break down into the same things. They break down into the same building blocks for collagen, and the reason they help is our tendons are mainly made up of collagen. They are digested into the building blocks of collagen, and there is research to show that if you use those types of supplements, they increase your collagen production of healthy cells. There's also some research of a recent study that came out where they looked at athletes, where both groups of athletes were following a lovely, carefully graded strength training program for their Achilles tendinopathies. But for one lot, they gave supplements, other lot, they didn't give anything. And the ones that supplemented with the gelatin or hydrolyzed collagen actually improved more quickly than the group that weren't supplemented. Okay, so how much do you actually need of this stuff? From the research, there's no definitive answer yet. A lot more research probably needs to be done. And I have to also say that, remember, I'm not a dietitian, so this advice may not be right for you. You need to check with a medical professional before you use any of this stuff. In the research studies, it seems to show that if you take it within 30 to 60 minutes before you do Achilles tendon loading activities like running or jumping or your Achilles exercise program that you're meant to be following, it works best, because the 30 to 60 minutes gives your digestive system a chance to actually break these things down into their building blocks, and then it's available in your bloodstream to be used in the collagen or of the tendon. Vitamin C, it seems you need about 48 milligrams of that. So it's not loads. With these things, it's not the more you take, the better. There's some research actually out that shows if you use loads of vitamin C immediately after training, it can actually dull your training effect. So don't go and overdose on this. All they needed for the research studies was 48 milligrams, which is not a lot. Then if you're using gelatin, they used about 15 grams of gelatin. For the studies where they used hydrolyzed collagen, they used a lot less. They used 2.5 grams only. And part of the reason of why they needed so much less could be because hydrolyzed collagen is much easier to digest. So yes, have a look at what you want to use. I know you get the supplements out there because some of my patients have already started using some of these. But as I said, it's not a one size fits all. It may not be the right thing for you, and don't use the hydrolyzed collagen as well as the gelatin. Pick one of those two. Don't use both of them. They do the same thing, but combine it with a bit of vitamin C. Excellent. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, or you're welcome to message me or email me as well. And if you want more information about Achilles tendons, have a look at our website. We write a regular blog, and if you want to know about our treatments, everything is on that website as well. So hope you have a good day. Bye bye.